Hi friends! So from the posts you've seen in our class so far, we know that essential oils are basically the lifeblood of a plant. Essential oils have healing properties for plants, and they also have healing properties for us, for our bodies. They do a lot more than just make our homes smell nice. And they're not a new trend either. They've been around since the biblical times and probably even longer. Essential oils function in a plant kind of like blood functions in our human body. An example of this would be if we cut our skin, our blood's going to rush to that area because it contains compounds that will help fight illness and help to heal and regenerate that wounded tissue. When you break apart a portion of a plant and then you smell the aromatic compound that's released, think whether you're rolling a peppermint leaf between your fingers or a lavender bud, or you snap a stem of a eucalyptus, or you cut down your Christmas tree, or maybe you're grating a lemon peel. All of those things that you smell when you do that is the essential oil of that plant. Essential oils are what help plants to destroy infections or fight off predators, like insect manifestations. Essential oils help plants maintain their health and growth. They help repair structural damage and more. So when we use essential oils on and in and around our bodies, they have these same healing properties. What's the range of things essential oils can be used for? Well, properties of essential oils range from activity against bacteria, viruses, fungi, all the way to different types of effects, like calming emotional effects on our mood. They can also assist our body in ridding itself of environmental toxins that we're exposed to. Essential oils help promote normal cellular function, and they can destroy damaged cells, and they can do so many more things. There's so much they can do that, frankly, we probably could never learn it all. But the good news is we don't have to understand every single piece of how they work to benefit from using them. They have somewhat of an innate intelligence in the sense that they don't react against all of the things they come into contact with the same way. An example of this would be lemon oil. When it comes into contact with like plastics or styrofoam, it can degrade it. But when you use lemon oil on something like maybe a strawberry, it will clean it and preserve it. Another example could be oregano oil. That's been demonstrated to kill harmful bacteria in our GI system, but it promotes and supports the good bacteria in our GI system. It doesn't kill it all blindly, it's selective. Personally, I would explain these things as the imparted intelligence from a divine creator who created plants for our benefit. The goal of using essential oils is to promote whole body wellness. We can do this in a lot of different ways, but when I explain this, I like to kind of divide these uses into two categories. I call them the short game and the long game. When I talk about the short game, or playing the short game with our health, I mean the idea that we are experiencing something unpleasant and we probably want it to be better as quickly as possible. This could look like a headache, or muscle tension, or nausea related to anxious feelings. It could look like a cough that's making it difficult to sleep at night. For our family, it looked like that domino effect of winter illnesses. I have found essential oils to be excellent tools for promoting short-term or short-game wellness in our home. When it comes to each of those unpleasant experiences that I mentioned, essential oils have a natural option for us. In our culture, sometimes it can be really difficult for us to slow down or make the changes we need or want to with our health habits. A lot of us, at least I have, grown up taking care of our bodies reactively. That means when we see or we become aware of an issue and it bothers us enough, then okay, we'll stop and treat it. Whether that's a sore throat or a blister or a breakout or whatever. It's rare in our culture to talk about the ways that we can proactively support our body to be less susceptible to injury, illness, and disease. This was a big transformation for our family over the last couple years, and using oils and making these lifestyle changes to be more proactive about our wellness has had amazing effects on our immune systems, our energy levels, our mood, our sleep, and so many other things. I love that essential oils can help us with our short game challenges, because for many of us, when those discomforts go away, it's then that we feel more ready and energized to take some of those steps towards our longer-term health goals. There are many ways essential oils can help us with that, with the long game. The thieves line is a key way that they do that, and so I'm going to continue this topic about the long game in a separate video. But in closing for this one, instead of looking at essential oils like medications to treat symptoms, we need to look at them more like fruits, vegetables, and other whole foods that we use to keep our bodies functioning well. We don't eat one apple a week and say, okay, I'm healthy now and I won't get sick. We make it our goal to eat multiple servings of fruits and vegetables multiple times a day because we know that they are plants that nourish and heal our body. Essential oils are also going to be plants that nourish and heal our body. When it comes to these amazing oils, we need to think along the lines of, how do I get multiple servings in today? Not, I'll put this on a shelf and I'll grab it when I'm not feeling well and I need a help or a quick fix. I know that when you prioritize using your essential oils frequently and proactively, you will notice and feel an amazing difference. I did. So did my husband. So did my children. So have a ton of my friends. It's been absolutely undeniable. I've been extremely blessed to add essential oils into my toolbox, as I like to call it, for life. I couldn't be more thrilled that you're here participating in this class. I can't wait to share with you some of the specifics of things our family has done, how oils and non-toxic products have improved our health and wellness, and I can't wait, most of all, to hear the stories of how they do that for you and your family.